Wago's 224 series lighting connectors provide the ideal connection between solid and fine stranded conductors, allowing for quick and safe installation without an operating tool. They are suitable for virtually any electrical home equipment, such as roller shutter motors, fans, boiler controllers, or circulating pumps. On the installation side, solid conductors ranging in size from 1 to 2.5 square millimeters or 18 to 14 AWG are terminated by simply pushing them into the unit. On the lighting side, fine stranded conductors from 0.5 to 2.5 square millimeters or 20 to 14 AWG are terminated via cage clamp connection. To connect, press button fully, insert strip conductor into the square entry, and release, completely tool-free. Wago's lighting connectors are available in versions rated up to 120 degrees Celsius continuous operating temperature, ensuring smooth operation in high-temperature applications. Wago 224 series, the combined lighting connector. Wago, innovative connections.